Welcome back, guys. Today we are at Lodha Premier, a new project of Lodha, which is not a part of Palava in Dombivli, a very new launch happening right opposite to Runwal Garden. If you see the location, it is exactly on the Manpada Road, which is a prime location. From here, your Shilfata Highway is road touch, and here there is an upcoming metro station near Manpada. From here, the station is 3.5 kilometer. And guys, this is a very super premium location. So as I said, this is not a part of Lodha Palava. This is a separate project called Lodha Premier, which is a new launch of Lodha in Dombivli Shilfada Road. So you can see the construction of the sales office happening behind me. This is a 1 lakh square feet office which is getting ready. It will be ready by 5th of November. So in this sales office there will be your 3D 9D experience center. Apart than that, there will be show flats, sample flats inside the project. So the primary factor of this location is it is exactly very close to the prime location. If you see, that is the main prime location there. That is Runwal Gardens. Behind that is Runwal My City. And right opposite to this is this Lodha Premier. So as I am telling you, from here the station is very nearby. Even if you want to go towards Navi Mumbai, Thane or towards Dombivli is 3.5 kilometer. There is an upcoming metro station out there near Manpada, which is also very close proximity to the project. And you can even travel Kalyan as well as Diva. Diva is also the nearest station from here. This is the most awaited location for the people living in Dombivli, as everybody was waiting for quite some long time for Lodha to come up at this land bank, as this is the prime location. Behind on that side is the Lodha Phase 2, which is already been sold. That is Lakeshore Downtown, which comes under Palava Phase 2. And on the left hand side, there is Phase 1, which is already quite an old project and which is already delivered. As I said, this is not a part of Palava at all. So guys, let's go inside and have a quick view. So as I said, we are right now at Lodha Premier. So as I was saying, like currently it's a pre-launch that is happening. So we are taking EOIs against the bookings. So the EOI that we are taking is 27,000 for 1 BHK, 36,000 for 2 BHK. If you are giving EOIs in this period, then you will be getting an additional benefit or in your pricing, apart from the pricing that we are already availing you guys. So do not miss the opportunity of giving an EOI, because once the site is launched, the pricing will shoot up. As I said, the sales office is under construction, so the sample flats are also under construction. But once it has been launched during this Diwali, the pricing will vary. So guys, do not miss on to the pricing that you are getting today. So the carpet area that we are offering here is 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. These are the configurations. So 1 BHK will be having two configurations, that is 444 and 467. In 2 BHK there are 4 variations. Few are with deck, few are without deck. So you can prefer as per your preference, your budget. Like you want to go for a higher carpet or for the lower one, we have got the options for you. Apart 3 BHK, the configuration is 758. For 2 BHK, as I said, there are 4 configurations. So one configuration is 540, another one is 572, then we have is 620, and the last one is 576. So these are the 4 configurations you will be getting in 2 BHK. One is without balcony, another one is with balcony. Again the next one is without, and then there is a with balcony. So as I said, there is a EOI benefit that you will be getting. Plus there will be a price flexibility as well. So guys, if you want to get a good price discount, a good benefit of EOI, scheduling the site visit or brochures or details of the project, do not forget to call on this below number before visiting the site, scheduling your site visit. And for any detailed information that you are looking, just like to share this detail with you or talk about this. Many people are confused yet they think that I am a broker or something, that I'll be charging any brokerage to you and आपको brokerage देना पड़ेगा या something. ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है. आपको 1 रुपये भी brokerage मुझे नहीं देना है. Neither मैं कोई broker हूँ. सो आप बेफिक्र होकर नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं, आपकी साइट विजिट शेड्यूल करवा सकते हैं, आपकी तरफ से कोई भी चार्जेस नहीं लिए जाएंगे। सो डू नॉट वरी, डू नॉट हेजिटेट अबाउट द सेम, बिकॉज ये सारी क्वेरीज मुझे कॉल पे भी मिलते हैं और मिलने पे भी मिलते हैं। जब कस्टमर साइट पे आते हैं तभी मुझे पूछा जाता है। तो आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू क्लेरिफाई ऑन दिस open platform that you will not be charged anything from us. We are My First Car and we consult you regarding, so there are many customers and every customer has got different preferences. किसी को शायद कोई और लोकेशन चाहिए होगा डोंबिवली का, या पोजीशन जल्दी चाहिए होगा, या पोजीशन लेट चाहिए होगा, या कंस्ट्रक्शन लिंक पेमेंट प्लान चाहिए होगा, या फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी प्लान चाहिए होगा, या कोई ऐसा उनका पर्सपेक्टिव होगा जो वो स्पेसिफिकली देख रहे हैं। तो ये चीज़ें हम अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं क्योंकि हर कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट अलग होती है। तो जैसे हमारे पास बहुत ऑप्शंस है जो कि आपने सारी वीडियोस में देखा ही होगा, तो वो प्रोजेक्ट के हिसाब से या कुछ वीडियोस जो हमने अभी तक क्रिएट नहीं किए सर्टेन प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए, उस हिसाब से हम उनको गाइड करते हैं, कंसल्ट करते हैं कि आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जाना चाहिए या वो प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जाना चाहिए। अपार्ट दैन दैट, एज वी आर नॉट वर्किंग फॉर एनी पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड, तो ऐसे भी नहीं होगा कि मैं आपको स्पेसिफिकली वही प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बोलूँगी कि मैम या सर आप यही वाला ले लो, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वर्किंग फॉर दैट प्रोजेक्ट। तो ऐसे नहीं होगा कि मैं आपको वही प्रोजेक्ट के लिए एम्फेसाइज करूँगी या फिर बायस ओपिनियन दूंगी। सो माई ओपिनियन विल बी कम्प्लीटली अनबायस्ड, इट विल बी कम्प्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट, योर प्रेफरेंस। So do not worry about that and call on this number for any details. Thank you.